On a dark, dark night, on an old, old farm, in a rickety-crickety, thumble-darn barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a howl, a hog, and an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. Not the flea. No one heard him. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or a rat, or a cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not that flea. No one heard him. Sniffle, sniffle. Not even the mouse who used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anyone have a tissue for B? Not even a mouse who used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, and the owl, and the feathered fowl, or the dog, and the hog, and the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not that flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat and his maroo. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered, moo, moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoot, hoot, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woo-hoo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed eew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that dark, dark night, the old, old farm and rickery-crickery, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, and the black-eyed bat, the owl, the cow, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog, everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I've got a sneeze. Sleazed.